I'm investigator Nicole Grigg with this new 14-page civil lawsuit filed by the parents of Preston Lord, accusing the 7 suspects charged with his murder, the teenager's parents, and the homeowners of the Queen Creek Halloween party the teens attended, of all playing a role before his death. The civil suit filed Wednesday reveals new details around the 16-year-old's death after he was brutally beaten at that party last year.
Number one, it happens because there's a statute of limitation.
DwaneCates, a criminal defense attorney not related to this case in any way, says a civil suit has to happen within 2 years of the date of the incident. What's the reason to go after the suspects and the homeowners who hosted the party civilly?
Number one, they go after the homeowners because there's homeowners insurance. So a lot of times when you do lawsuits, you need to find, you got to find the deep pockets. There's no sense in suing somebody that has no money.
No amount of money will bring Preston back.
But again, it's just another way of trying to get justice for the victim.
The civil suit not just going after the 17 suspects, but several of the parents as well.
Because the teenagers are minors, okay? And a lot of times that you can go after if the minor does something, civilly, you can go after the parent if you can show that has some nexus to what happens.
The homeowners who hosted the Halloween party accused of negligence for hosting the party where alcohol was involved. The suit alleges that after one of the homeowners kicked everyone out of the party, the suspects followed another group, which included Preston, and began taunting them. The suit accuses the 7 suspects of hitting or abetting until Preston was rendered unconscious. The parents of one of the teen suspects, Talon Renner, also accused of negligence. The suit accusing them of knowing about their son's past violent behavior, alleging while a 5th grader student in the Gilbert Unified School District, defendant Talon Renner threatened to shoot up his school, and alleges most recently between March 2022 and March 2023, while a resident at the Diamond Ranch Academy Residential Treatment Center in Hurricane, Utah, assaulted another resident, thereby inflicting serious physical injury upon the other resident.
In a criminal case, you have the right to remain silent, and they can't use that silence against you. In a civil case, okay, you don't have the right to remain silent. And if you do remain silent, then they get to assume that what you would have said would have been bad for you.
Queen Creek police tell us that the recommended charges for the homeowners are still under review by the Maricopa County Attorney's Office. As for what's next on the criminal side, all suspects are due back in court in just a few weeks. I'm investigator Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.